Everyone thinks a smart thermostat is automatically going to save them money, but here's why a learning thermostat might actually be making your energy bills higher. Hey, I'm Josh with Thomson AC, and we actually install a lot of these thermostats every day. And while programming your thermostat is super productive and can save you a ton of money, when your thermostat gets to program itself, sometimes those settings can get really inefficient really fast. Let's say, for example, you wanted to program your thermostat to be off while you're at work, but then one day you want to come home and make a sandwich. You don't want that learning thermostat to reprogram itself to come on at 1 p.m. every day, whether you're there to make a sandwich or not. Or let's say you've programmed the perfect temperature for your home, and then maybe you have a guest in the house. You don't want your thermostat to automatically adjust itself to your guest's preferences that might not be the ideal temperature for the home. Hey, look, learning thermostats can be great. Just make sure that it only learns the habits you want it to learn for a predetermined time period, and it stops learning when you're done.